We often think of the blue whale as the biggest creature to ever exist, but what if I told you there were prehistoric giants that might have been even larger? From snakes longer than buses to whales that hunted sharks, today we're uncovering 10 more extinct giants that ruled our planet. Some were real-life monsters and others remain mysterious, with scientists still debating their true size. Watch till the end. You won't believe what number 1 is. Number 10. Argentavis. If you think eagles and vultures are big, imagine a bird with a 23-foot wingspan, almost the size of a small plane. Argentavis magnificens, the largest flying bird ever discovered, soared over South America around 6 million years ago. This prehistoric bird weighed around 150 pounds and likely used thermal currents to stay airborne, much like modern-day condors. Unlike today's raptors that hunt live prey, Argentavis was likely a scavenger feeding on carrion. It had a hooked beak perfect for tearing flesh, but its enormous size made it too heavy for quick aerial attacks. Scientists believe it could travel hundreds of miles in a single day, searching for food. The extinction of Argentavis was likely due to climate changes and the loss of large land mammals, which reduced its food supply. With no carcasses to feed on, this sky titan disappeared, leaving behind only fossils to tell its story. Number 9. Dinosuchus. Modern crocodiles are terrifying, but they pale in comparison to Dinosuchus, a 40-foot-long prehistoric crocodilian that lived 80 million years ago. Its 23,000-pound bite force was nearly twice as strong as a T-Rex's, capable of crushing bones and even hunting dinosaurs. Fossil evidence shows Dinosuchus ambushed its prey near riverbanks, just like modern crocs, but on a much larger scale. Some dinosaur bones found near ancient rivers have massive tooth marks, suggesting that these giants regularly hunted hadrosaurs and other land creatures. Despite its dominance, Dinosuchus vanished due to climate shifts and habitat loss. The cooling environment and changing water levels likely affected its breeding grounds, leading to its eventual extinction. Number 8. Livyatan. While today's sperm whales are deep-diving giants that hunt squid, Livyatan melvillei was a very different kind of whale. This 57-foot-long predator, which lived 13 million years ago, had foot-long teeth, the largest of any known whale, and hunted large prey, including other whales and giant sharks. Livyatan shared its habitat with Megalodon, and while there's no direct evidence of battles between them, these two sea monsters were likely top competitors for food. Unlike modern sperm whales, which use sonar to hunt, Livyatan relied on brute strength and enormous jaws to take down its victims. Its extinction remains a mystery, but food shortages, competition, and climate change may have all played a role in its downfall. Number 7. Gigantopithecus. If Bigfoot were real, it might have looked like Gigantopithecus, the largest ape ever. This prehistoric primate stood 10 feet tall and weighed over 1,200 pounds, making it nearly twice the size of a gorilla. It lived in Asia during the Pleistocene epoch, around 100,000 years ago. Gigantopithecus likely resembled an enormous orangutan, using its powerful arms to swing through trees and grab vegetation. It was a herbivore, but its massive size may have helped it scare off predators. As forests shrank and food sources dwindled, Gigantopithecus was unable to adapt to new environments. The arrival of early humans may have also contributed to its extinction as competition for resources increased. Number 6. Pulmonoscorpius. Imagine walking through a prehistoric swamp and seeing a 3-foot-long scorpion crawling toward you. That was Pulmonoscorpius, a massive scorpion that lived 345 million years ago in what is now Scotland. Unlike modern scorpions, which rely on their pincers to catch prey, Pulmonoscorpius may have used its venomous stinger to take down amphibians and insects. It thrived in an era when oxygen levels were much higher, allowing arthropods to grow to enormous sizes. But as oxygen levels dropped, these giant scorpions disappeared, giving way to the smaller scorpions we see today. Number 5. Chastosaurus. Before whales ruled the oceans, Chastosaurus was one of the largest marine reptiles ever, growing up to 69 feet long. This ichthyosaur lived during the Triassic period, about 210 million years ago. Unlike other marine predators, Chastosaurus had a toothless mouth, meaning it likely fed on soft-bodied creatures like squid and fish. Its streamlined body allowed it to move swiftly through the water, making it one of the fastest swimmers of its time. Despite its size, Chastosaurus was relatively harmless compared to other marine giants, but it disappeared during one of Earth's many mass extinction events. Number 4. Titanoboa. Today's anacondas and pythons look tiny, compared to Titanoboa, the largest snake ever discovered. Measuring 50 feet long and weighing over 2,500 pounds, it ruled the rainforests of South America after the dinosaurs went extinct. Unlike venomous snakes, Titanoboa hunted by constriction, wrapping its massive body around prey and squeezing them until they suffocated. It fed on crocodiles, giant turtles, and even large mammals. As the planet cooled, Titanoboa's tropical habitat shrank, leading to its extinction. Number 3. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus aegyptiacus was the largest carnivorous dinosaur, reaching 60 feet in length, even bigger than T-Rex. Unlike most theropods, it had a long, crocodile-like snout, webbed feet, and a massive sail on its back. These features suggest it was semi-aquatic, spending much of its time in the water. It primarily hunted giant fish, using its powerful jaws and sharp teeth to snatch prey from rivers and lakes. Some scientists believe it could swim like a crocodile, making it one of the most unique dinosaurs ever discovered. Its adaptations indicate it was a top predator of both land and water ecosystems. Spinosaurus went extinct around 95 million years ago, likely due to climate changes and competition from other predators. Despite its disappearance, it remains one of the most fascinating and debated dinosaurs, with new discoveries constantly reshaping our understanding of this giant hunter. Number 2. Ruhathkaiosaurus. Ruhathkaiosaurus is one of the most mysterious dinosaurs ever discovered. If scientists' estimates are correct, it could have been even larger than Patagotitan, growing up to 115 feet long and weighing around 200 tons. This would make it the biggest land animal to ever walk the earth, rivaling even the largest whales in weight. However, its fossils were reportedly lost, leaving behind only sketches and measurements from the 1980s discovery in India. Some scientists question whether it was even a dinosaur, with theories suggesting it might have been a giant tree fossil. Since no new remains have been found, its classification remains uncertain. If fresh evidence of Ruhathkaiosaurus is ever uncovered, it could completely change our understanding of prehistoric giants. Until then, it remains one of paleontology's greatest unsolved mysteries, a potential record breaker lost to time. Number 1. Perucetus. We've saved the biggest shocker for last. While the blue whale is considered the largest animal ever, a new discovery suggests that an even heavier creature once swam the oceans. Perucetus colossus. This massive whale lived 39 million years ago and is estimated to have weighed between 200 to 600 tons, possibly twice as heavy as a blue whale. Its bones were incredibly dense, suggesting it may have been a slow-moving, bottom-dwelling creature similar to modern manatees. Unlike today's whales that dive deep, Perucetus may have spent most of its life near the seafloor, feeding on soft-bodied marine creatures. However, since only a few fossils have been found, its exact size and behavior remain a mystery. If more fossils confirm these estimates, Perucetus could officially dethrone the blue whale as the heaviest animal in history. And that's our list of 10 colossal creatures that once ruled the earth. Which one amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible content. See you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.